you're not her, though I try to see you differently. I told a lie. You see, I'm searching for what used to be my home. And I saw your eyes, and I saw Alice staring back at me. So I will try to find another one who suited me as well as her. I've moved far away from you, and I want to see you here beside me, dear. Things aren't clear when we never even tried. We never even talked. We never even thought in the long run. Whenever it was painful, whenever I was away, I'd miss you, and I miss you. She was mine, I was hers, and all that's in between. If she would cry, I would shelter her and keep her from the darkness that will be if I moved far away from you. And I want to see you here beside me, dear. But things aren't clear. Oh, we never even tried. We never even talked. We never even thought in the long run. Whenever it was painful, whenever I was away, I'd miss you, and I'd miss you. Don't drop me in, it's not my time. If you cut deep, then I might learn that you scarred and left me like a sunburn. Don't drop me in, it's not my time. If you cut deep, then I might learn that you scar and leave me like a sunburn. Never even tried, we never even talked, we never even thought in the long run. Whenever it was painful, whenever I was away, I'd miss you, and I miss you.